Up to the left rein. And rise now if he doesn't do it. As soon as you feel like he leans over to the right, you rise up to the left. See, he spent left. You got to get him more out to the left hand, to the shoulder. The shoulder goes to the left hand. He flexes right. But you see right now his eyes are more at the height of his wither.
Yep.
Agree?
Yep.
Not lower. Not lower. Take your rein. See, I compliment you, and 2 strides later his head's down into between his front legs. Right? Come on, up. Turn your reins. Turn. Left. Left side up to the right. Now that's not your left hand bending down to the left. It's your left side up. Right? Clark, come back here. Clark, come on this side. Clark, come back in there. Come here. Come here. Yeah, sit there. Good. Push him out. Raise your right hand up. Left hand down.
Okay.
Right hand up. Right hand up. Higher. Give. Thank you. See, you might as well just get over with, right? It's not because you pull the hand down. It's because you're not pulling the head down. You're raising the hand up so your hand becomes your leg.